Yeah, I'm about to cook these two snapper. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut them in half, and what is that word called? I forgot. Anyways, then I'm gonna cut it slant long way. So basically I'm gonna have 4 pieces out of each when I'm done. And I'm doing that because piece I'm just gonna fry and then make some escovitch sauce and just eat it like that. And the other piece I'm gonna, or pieces I should say, I'm gonna brown stew. So right here we have the Larry's seasoned salt. I'm just gonna use that. I didn't have my Jamaican seasoned salt finished, so, and I'm gonna put some cayenne pepper in there. I got the Port Royal fish sauce, and then I got some white rum. Nah, I'm joking. The white rum is just to drink. I know y'all was wondering what the, but yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna, like I said, cut them in half and then slice them. And yes, for you individuals who are saying, "Oh, it still has the head," yeah, I eat the head. Most Jamaicans eat the head. Me, I like to put a little slice in it, so I could put the season down in it. Or the seasoning actually. For the seasoning, just gonna guesstimate it. Okay, so I'm gonna add the oil. And then wait for it to get hot too also. Alright, so the oil is hot now, so I'm just gonna add a escovitch pepper in it. Yeah, give it a little flavor. I like putting the onions in my oil because onion gives it a flavor to it. So I don't think everything is gonna fit, so still gonna look like it's hot enough. That's why I say I don't like these stoves, man, but it's decent. So, yeah. So while that's over there frying, I'm just gonna flour these ones, the ones that I'm gonna escovitch.